For our next painting, we will be taking different colors as seen. Use yellow for the center of the flower and then proceed to use any colors you may want. We have chosen pink, purple, blue as you can see, and then add stems to each of your flowers. Never forget to add the leaves of the flowers to make them look more realistic and add grass at the bottom. Taking the same sponge, you can make the sun at the top. Following this, add some clouds. Next, take your paintbrush, dip it in green paint and make long grass. Take the paintbrush once again and add pink leaves or petals to the grass. Add the centers, following which you will take another paintbrush and add leaves to each of these flowers. Add some grass at the bottom. Next, take some blue paint and then smudge it all over the paper, followed by green paint with different shades. Once you have done this, take a sponge and draw a big red circle in the middle. Add individual petals to each of this in yellow to make a sunflower. After you are done with this, you can add small details like adding orange to add more character to your painting. Add little specks of yellow to the center, following which you will add the stem, and there you have it, your very own sunflower. Add more dots to make it more realistic in the center and add little bits of grass all over the painting. You may also add small little flowers around it. Take the sponge and make clouds. Now, for our next painting, we will take a light blue sheet of paper, take some sponge, add some circles, and add petals to each of these circles to make flowers. Over the purple paint, you may also add pink paint to add more depth and color to your painting. Repeat this process for each of the flowers and then add stems for each of the flowers. Add leaves to each of these stems, and following which, you may add grass to the bottom. Paint in different directions to add more depth and then add color dots all over and clouds. For our next drawing, take a yellow sheet of paper and start off by drawing long grass at the bottom of the page. Fill this grass in by taking a lighter shade of green and adding more depth to it. Take any shade you like and make circles all over these long stems of grass. To add more, you can draw a bee in the side. Thank you for watching.